This is going to be a tutorial on how to basically navigate My Canvas page. So when you enter in My Canvas page, the first thing you always want to go to be able to navigate is you want to be under modules. Okay, so come over here, modules. This is the easiest way to do it because it's going to put everything in the order that we're going to. Now this is one of my older courses that we're looking at, but we're going to use it as an example to go by. Okay, so once you have the modules pulled up, for now, I'm just going to be putting stuff in one unit at a time, but it'll keep building. But as you'll see stuff, you'll have like our first unit, second unit, and so on. Okay. If we look at this one, because this is going to be more like what our online learning is going to look like, you will see where it says complete all items up here at the top. And these will be notes, so everything will be in order, the order that we're going to do it. So if we click here, for example, sampling methods, it's going to take you to a video that you will watch for your notes and be able to learn that day's lesson. And within the window here, you will see the video pop up. And some of mine you will be able to make bigger. Certain ones you can make bigger, certain ones you might not be able to. But the majority of mine that I'm going to have, I plan on where you can make it bigger, make it to the whole screen where you can see it. So these would be the notes. And then from there, like if you're working, that same day, you can simply click next. And it's going to take you to the assignment that goes with that page. Now, a lot of my assignments are just going to be listed as quizzes. That's just the way that I have it set up. But they're just assignments. Don't think it has any more weight. It's just worth the points, the total amount of points of whatever you see there. So you'll have your assignments. And on all your assignments, you can have as many attempts as you like, so you can keep doing your assignment until you make 100 on it, or a perfect score, however many points are on it. And this one is not coming up at the moment for some reason, but right here you will see where your quizzes are. Let's see if we can go back and take a look at the quiz. But basically, you'll have your quizzes. You'll go through and you'll answer questions and you'll submit those. And then at the end of the unit, you'll take your test. So if we go back to modules, when you go in each day, just go through your modules. I'm being a little bit slow today. Okay, here we are. So you can see, for example, when we get on down, like where these units where we had to go online last year, you'll see the test down here at the bottom and you'll take the test at the end. And if you have any questions, please let me know.